In a fast-paced world, reliable solutions matter. For over 25 years, CarParts.com has been a trusted partner, empowering drivers with quality and convenient auto parts priced right. With over 1.2 million square feet of warehouse space across 5 U.S. locations and over 1,500 dedicated team members worldwide, our vast distribution network delivers over 10 million quality collision and maintenance parts to customers in the contiguous United States and Canada. Our efficient supply chain ensures quick and reliable deliveries, taking the stress out of vehicle repair and maintenance. Our direct relationships with trusted global suppliers means we can offer over 1 million quality parts on our easy-to-use website and app at prices that make sense for consumers and businesses alike. Every part we sell meets rigorous standards, ensuring customers get reliable collision replacements for everyday vehicles or premium performance parts for their European cars. We hand-select top-quality parts that are rigorously tested for safety and performance. Every part we source is carefully measured, photographed, and cataloged to ensure a best-in-class user experience and accurate fitment data for a seamless transaction. With advanced logistics and innovative state-of-the-art technology, we deliver at scale, keeping shelves stocked, prices low, and customers satisfied. Our leading-edge analytics and algorithms allow us to optimize for the most cost-effective transportation solutions with freight and carton optimization.
It was easy, I found the part I needed, and it got here faster than I expected.
Our dedicated customer service teams are here to help. Whether it's expert advice or easy returns, we ensure a smooth experience every step of the way. We also offer business-to-business capabilities for a more custom experience and volume in bulk, including will call.
CarParts.com pricing keeps us competitive. Their fast, reliable service helps us grow our business.
From supplier to warehouse to customer, CarParts.com connects the dots to drive success reliably, affordably, and at scale. CarParts.com. Quality parts priced right.